The sun's coming around the front of the house. This is video number 4 we're narrating, and I can hardly see, can you?
No, I can see.
It's Dragonfly, the blue Dragonfly.
Because you're in front of the window, I'm not.
Yeah, we're going to have to take a break after this one and go have coffee number 7.
No, it's not 7.
I think I might be at 6.
Wow.
I do not exaggerate. Whizzy, whizzy, let's get busy. Lye water solution has been poured into the oils at room temperature.
Dragonfly, so I
don't think you saw me make this one either.
No, I don't see make a lot of them because I'm busy doing other things. I always like to stick my nose in and see where you're up to with stuff, but very seldom do I see the process from start to finish.
Right.
Ooh, there we go, getting all this nice and ready now.
Piping. Put it off to the side.
And there's the favourite, titanium dioxide.
Yeah, I ran out of that stuff for about a month and I was like, I just couldn't get my soap white enough and it was driving me crazy. So I'm very happy to have that back in my life. There was none available on Amazon for a while. Maybe everybody watching was buying it, I don't know.
Maybe. Volume sales went up.
It is back. So let's see what I do here because I actually don't remember. And at the time you're watching this, May 22nd, we are in the bush probably seeing some blue dragonflies.
Oh god, yeah, they're like little military helicopters, but they sit nests in and they get rid of all the bugs that are biting in.
I do believe they're aliens. If you're a soaper and you've not mixed sweet pea with jasmine yet, do it. It smells so good. Like, I actually don't really like jasmine on its own, but when I mixed it with sweet pea, oh my god.
Yeah, they complement each other.
Really, really well. So, yeah, we are camping in the bush, and I think dragonflies are aliens. They look like aliens.
There's a lot of things in the bush look like aliens, insects and whatnot.
I had one land on me and I watched it for a while. I think I have a video of it, you know.
Yeah, gorgeous colours.
Eyeballs are huge. It's cleaning itself like a cat, you know, licking its hands and then cleaning its head. And I just thought, wow. And then when the sun goes down, they come out and you can watch them. They open their mouths and just like eat the mosquitoes above your head.
Yeah.
It's amazing. All that wildlife.
And they've got beautiful metallic colours on them.
Oh, there's many different
green
colors
and blues
of
and
dragonflies.
Reds and oranges, just amazing little things. They're about 2.5, 3 inches long, some of them.
Some of them are just ginormous. The blue ones aren't usually too big. And they're probably not this cute. Oh, did you see that?
Oh, look at that.
I went backwards.
Backwards swirl. Nice.
Not sure why I did that, but I must have been bored.
Yeah, I was going to say something then, but it dropped right out of my head.
It's because I'm talking too much.
About the dragonflies, but
Anywho, they are a great resource in the forest, I must say.
Oh, I'll tell you, that's what I was going to say. Very soon here, we're going to get shadfly season.
Oh, who gets shadflies? Tell me in the comments section. Do you know what a shadfly is? Have you heard of them? Do you think of it as like a horror story? Especially if you're from the Toronto area and you don't get them there.
Millions of these sticky, smelly, fishy type things.
They don't even have a mouth, okay?
And they land on walls and garages.
They smell like fish. And yeah, literally there's millions of them. We have to hose down the outside of our businesses here when they come. They're only here for about 2 weeks or something like that.
Yeah, Mother Nature provides them, doesn't it? It's food for the fish and the birds. It's food for the
fish and the birds. But what they are exactly, I think I have a video of a shadfly in my Instagram feed. So if you want to check it out, it's Fruits of a Loon at Instagram. I like taking pictures and videos of weird little creatures.
Yeah, well, I've not experienced them yet. It's going to be weird. Oh, isn't that a really nice green?
Yeah, I think it changes a bit. It gets quite a bit lighter. Like,
Well, that's right. And the colours
not in the
do separate out
video,
and change a bit when they.
but like 2 weeks after it started curing, it got to a really nice pale green, which I kind of knew it would. Green's always morph. I don't know why. Right there, it looks like that is the strangest green I've ever seen, really.
Yeah, that's like,
But it
like
always,
a leaf green.
always morphs. There's our little blue dragonflies that I forgot to hit record when I was putting them on, so I noticed halfway through and went, oh God, not again.
Yeah.
But look, I counted to 10 properly this time, and we got 10 of them on there. There's also some mica shimmer over that green.
Well, the blue does complement the green. It works really well.
I think so. Add some little flowers. Why not?
You position them just right and then move them with a little stick.
Well, I think I'm positioning them right, and then I realize that I'm not, so I have to go back and move them around. Do I put anything? Oh, little balls. So what are those balls? I don't know. They just,
Little little pearls, don't
they
they?
just needed to, I just thought we needed balls on the top of the soap. They have nothing to do with dragonflies or flowers. Little balls, little flowers, and little dragonflies and little sparkles.
Ooh, there you go. You see, they're great. Them little dragonflies
They're cute.
and the little flowers on the side.
Yeah.
Well, they've got smiley faces on from here.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure.
I don't think I put a smiley mouth on them, just eyeballs, but I can tell you they're happy because I created them and they told me.
Yeah, yeah.
They were like, thank you.
They told you.
So here, see how, there it is, how light the green is now?
Yeah.
Much better, right?
And the metallic shimmer makes it stand out even further.
Yeah. This will be available at the end of the first week in June. The store is closed throughout May because we are in the forest. And what am I doing here? I think this might be where you had to fix my wire.
Yeah, I think it was.
Anyway, we are camping, hopefully not eaten by bears when you're watching this, but
Yeah.
I think we'll be okay. We have bear spray.
I think we might see a few more animals this time because of, you know, the fact people have been not roaming about as much.
Yeah,
Deers and moose.
we always see moose. You just don't want them too close, and I've had that encounter a couple of times now.
And I seen my first crane last summer, the summer before.
The
Summer before.
It was a blue heron.
And Aaron, that was it. I never realised till I realised how far away it was, how tall it was.
They
It
are
was huge.
ginormous.
I would say it was probably as big as me, 6 foot.
Yeah, probably. They're very large. Nice bird, though. We get one up there at the lake we go to, and the same 2 loons every year.
Yeah, the loons are amazing. They sound prehistoric when they're calling each other.
Yeah.
It reverberates around the lake.
Yep. So you ready to go have a coffee before we narrate another video?
Coffee o'clock, and
So
it's
that
well
is-
needed.
Blue Dragonfly. Get yourself some in June. Check out my Instagram if you want to know when things are happening. Subscribe to my channel if you want to. Hit that notification bell. Like the video, dislike the video.
And I was a bit late with
We
that one.
appreciate you, and we hope you're all doing well.
Have fun, people.
Love you. Bye.